Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. We will have a look at loop control in this tutorial. We made a similar example in our previous tutorial. I want to show loop control with while in this example. Let's create a variable. Let's say let x equal 0 and while x less than 10, then curly brace if x equal 4 and curly brace, then break. And we need to increase our x value, x plus plus and semicolon. And let's display the message on our console log x and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see numbers from 1 to 4 because our value is starting from 0. That's why our first result value is 1. Let me copy and comment them out. Then paste one more time. Then I just want to display that one with continue. And I need to use that one here. And let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see the all numbers from 1 to 10. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.